they have made a name for this sound, and it's called the sound. This is how people speak English, and I want to make you familiar with it. So this is the big idea, okay? And here it is in Spanish, and here it is in Farsi. I think this is in Farsi. Okay, so the syllables that are not strong, the weak syllables, they're not strong. We replace the vowel sound, the vocal, with very often, okay? So we are going to try a little of this. So they call it, what is the schwa? They call it the sound. It's just like a and if you listen to English, you hear it a lot. It's a very fast part of English, but if you listen carefully, you'll hear it. And it's the mouth is very loose. It's like a grunt. And it can be any vowel. Any vowel. It can be A, E, I, O, U, can become But remember, the strong vowel, never, the strong syllable, never Okay, so for example, here's a schwa sound right here. Here are two of them. Banana. Okay, so the word is actually banana. Banana. Banana, right? But it's pronounced na. Banana. 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 I can't wait to get to the it's banana. 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 Look how fast. Banana. 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 Here's another word. This word is about. Looks like about. It's actually about. 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 Try to repeat those words after me. About. 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 Here it is on the end of a word. Sofa. 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 So the schwa is the sound, the sofa. So it looks like sofa, but it's actually sofa. Here it is. This is not the right one. This is actually the schwa sound, and this one is right here. Tur. So this is when it looks like doctor, but it's pronounced just like a TR. Tur. Doctor. Hear it? Doctor. 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 Okay, here's another one. Family. 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 Here, so it looks like family, but it's pronounced family. You don't even hear this. You can't even hear this. It's just family. It's almost like family. It's a little sound, family. Here's the one we all know, and this is the schwa here, and it's here. It's computer, computer, computer. So it's computer, computer, computer. Can you say that like I say it? Computer, computer. Try it. Computer, computer. Computer. Are you saying it? Yeah, there you go. You're perfect. I hear you. Very good. Turn your microphones on. I can hear you. That'd be great. Computer, 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 computer. Yeah, So you might say it looks like computer, but it's really computer, computer, computer. Yeah, so look, here it is. All native speakers in the United States, native means you were a baby, learned English as a baby. They use this sound. They saying every vowel. If you say every vowel fully, it sounds strange. It sounds slow and robotic. Let me show you how it sounds. Computer, computer, computer. Sounds like one of those, right? Computer, 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 not computer, but computer, computer. Not family, family, but family, family. Not doctor, doctor, but not doctor, but doctor, doctor, doctor. Not sofa, but sofa, sofa. Very fast, sofa. Not about, but about, 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 about. Not banana, banana, but banana, banana. So the stressed vowel is a little longer than the others, right? Banana, banana. It takes more time. Banana, banana. The other syllables are very fast. Banana, about, sofa, doctor, family, computer. All right, you can feel it. So you also use the schwa sound, the in small words, okay? So for example, this word is I have a banana. Look at this. It's not I have a banana. It's I have a banana. Say that with me. I have a banana. I have a banana. I have a banana. I have a banana. Have a. I have a banana. Wait, I have a banana. Hold on. Here, wait. Hold on here, hold on. I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna show you. Oh my goodness, I have many bananas. I have a whole bag of bananas here. Here, look. I have a banana. I have a banana. In fact, I have about 100 bananas in a bag. My wife bought bananas yesterday at Trader Joe's, and I have a lot of bananas. I have a banana. I have many bananas. I have a banana. Have a banana. Have a banana.